Today on the Sugar Apron, I'm showing you how to make pumpkin pie dumplings, fast and easy. At the widest end of the triangle, add 1 tablespoon of pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon of the butter-sugar mixture, and a piece of cream cheese. Pour soda, 7-Up or Mountain Dew, between rolls, but not over, and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until they become golden brown. Serve immediately with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. If you like this video, please leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.